Italiano, mamma mia, pizzeria. Nah, it's actually just from McDonald's.
All around the world.
McDonald's came out with some new McPizza bites from Italy. I don't know if Italy actually sells these. I don't think so, but let's get into these. Look how cute the bag is. You get 4. And guess what we have with it? New garlic mayo sauce. Your life. Here's what they look like. Guys, I can't lie. They're fire. New addiction incoming. Oh my god. And the sauce. I definitely should have tried it without the sauce first, so let's do that. They're so good. Stop. Mmm. Oh my god. Mmm. They kind of remind me of the flavor of Pizza Pops, or like Pizza Pockets, but better. Wow. And if you're my boyfriend or my boyfriend's mom watching this, do not make fun of my accent. I'm just joking. Anyway, this was absolutely amazing. I can't wait to eat the other menu items with you guys. I'm so excited. Bye, guys.